So in that case, we will use test dot only. By using the test dot only, we can execute that only particular place.
Okay. Shantani, could you please tell me what are the OOPS concepts you know till now?
OOPS concept are polymorphism and
To only see the camera, see the please. So I'm recording, right? So see, if your people are telling something, you are watching something, so interviewer definitely will catch. Why? Because nowadays AI agents are came. So while you are telling, if you want to see something, if people are watch screen, don't watch the camera. If you people are want only, you can watch the screen. Okay, if you people
yeah.
are something Mamata is doing while telling the answer, na, so some screen is capturing. Okay, okay, tell me what are the OOPS concepts are available in the TypeScript?
OOPS concept are basically like polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation, and abstraction. These are the four generally used OOPS concept.
Mhm. How the encapsulation will work?
Encapsulation is basically like we are using encapsulation. Solution. Don't remember encapsulation.
So how the polymorphism will work?
Polymorphism is like we are declaring it like we are actually polymorphism is basically one interface and many forms. So it can be the methods can behave differently depending upon the classes or the objects which we are defining. So
Oh,
that is how polymorphism works.
yeah. Mamata, could you please tell me like how the radio button will work and the playwright with TypeScript, how did you write the query?
By using Playwright, we can use the radio buttons. By using click, by using click, we can declare the radio buttons.
Okay. Shantani, could you please tell me how the drop down will work in the Playwright? How many ways we are using?
Drop down, we 3 to 4 ways we can use for drop down. In that we can mention the ID, like where we want to go, which number. It will start from the 0th number. And we can mention the name. Particularly, we want to go to this name. We can go there also. And these two I remember basically.
So you have 3 years of experience in Playwright, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Tell me the syntax. How many ways we have here?
Syntax I haven't learned. Means basically like it will come automatically. So
Yeah,
I
Mamata, could
haven't
you
learned the
please
syntax.
tell? Yeah, okay, no problem. Mamata.
For the drop down,
Yeah.
by using locators, by using we can write in 4 methods. By using index, by using
Only see the camera.
place,
Okay.
by using index, by using expert, no, not expert, name, ID.
Okay.
One more is placeholder.
Okay.
Name, ID, role, placeholder.
Yeah, Shantani, could you please tell me what are the inbuilt locators are there in the Playwright?
Inbuilt locators. Inbuilt locators are this only, na? Get by role, get by locators.
Do you know or not? Mamata, you can.
Actually, we have 14 types of locators in TypeScript. Get by role, get by name, get by placeholder, get by index, uh, get by ID,
Get by text.
get by text, get by locate. Sorry. By using ID, by using class. That's it. No, I
Okay.
remember that soon.
Okay. Shantini, could you please tell me like how the whenever we are going to use the to be visible or to be winnable, how you can use this command in your Playwright?
Like when we are checking, like for example, we selected from the drop down this ID, like India we selected. So it is visible on the screen or not, we'll check whether from the drop down when it's selected, if it's coming at the top or not, we'll use to be visible or not.
Give me one more example. Enable and visible.
Enable and visible. Like we can use for the login form also, whether the like we can use in the login form, like whenever we are putting the ID or we are putting the password, and we are at that time we can use like it's visible or not, like the buttons are visible or not after we entered our user ID and password.
Mamata?
By using is visible, we can write the syntax for visible. So for suppose if you if you want to see drop down, we can write a await page dot locator country so that is visible or not. We can give like this sentence.
Okay. Shantini, could you please tell me which framework you are used in the Playwright? Could you please tell me structure of the framework?
Framework is pending actually here. Like the whole framework thing is pending for me as of now.
Okay, you didn't use the framework. Only without framework you have experience, right?
No, means TypeScript when it was installed, that framework is there, and for JavaScript, but for the whole like with the DB and all accesses, that framework is pending for me.
No, you're not required. Tell me the structure, how the structure will work. In the interview may like how DB access coming or not, that people are not asking like that. That people are asking structure, how the framework will look like and how the each field will work. Okay.
Okay. So framework is like the Playwright will have
Without framework and with framework, what are the changes you are able to see?
with framework. Like for example, if we are
So
actually
without framework already we know once we are installing the project we are able to see git note and test config file JSON file, this all are we are able to see, right? So what I am telling with framework what are the changes you are able to see in the folder project folder?
with project folders. Like for example, if I'm taking a Playwright project, folder wise, if I am creating, like it will have playwright.config, then it will have package, then it will have a config JSON. Then we'll write the test for the login. For example, I'm writing for the login. Login and logout I'm mentioning. Then for the pages also, like pages, which page? there would be the home page, there would be login page,
Very good.
then there would be sign up page,
Okay.
or any other page or home page. Then I will mention the utils. In utils, I'll mention the test data,
Acha.
like whatever test data is required for login, or any other, like the payment structure is there or something like that.
Mhm.
Then we can add
So what are
just
what are the major fields you have? Under the util, you are maintaining the test data. Is it correct?
हाँ मतलब
Okay.
util हाँ
Yeah.
yes.
Next what are the field you are telling?
Next, like we'll mention the in
Pages.
the config pages. In pages, like for example, login page is there,
Hmm.
or home page test is there.
Hmm.
Then you will have, for
Okay.
example, your
Okay, I got it. So you are telling about the utils. Okay, done. You under the util, you are maintaining the data, and pages, you are maintaining the pages. Next, only two fields are there, or remaining fields also we are able to see. Remaining folders.
no, this is I'm talking about if I'm considering I'm creating one whole project, if I'm
Hmm.
creating a project in Playwright,
Mhm.
this would be the like the architect, or this would be the whole scenario I would be performing, the structure basically.
Acha, okay.
Like there would be 2 3 folders like playwright.config, ts.config package. Then there would be by default the test section. In that I will create my own specific files. Then there would be pages, which page I need to open or something like that. Then there would be utils. In that I would be mentioning the test data.
Okay.
Then in the config file only, in one of the pages I have to mention like the test results which would be coming. I have to mention that also, like which one is failing, or with the screenshot and the environment.
Mhm.
This would be the, I think this would be the whole overall structure which I would be considering
Mhm.
when I'm creating a project.
Okay, cool. Mamata, could you please tell me, like, for example, I'm able to use, I'm writing the one login page. So I'm entering the username. Okay, I want to enter the password, but I want to wait 8 seconds. How can I wait?
By using await, we can await dot timeout. We can by giving the time how many seconds we need, so that by giving that syntax we can wait.
What is the syntax?
Await dot timeout, open and close brackets. In that we need to give 8,000
Await dot?
page timeout. Sorry.
Tell correctly. Await page dot or
Mhm.
page wait? You are confusing me. Could you please tell me?
Await page wait for timeout.
Shantani, could you please tell me?
Yeah, it would be await, then page, then dot, wait for timeout, 8,000 in braces, and then it would be
No, no,
a
syntax
semicolon.
only I need. Wait, for example, tell me wait dot.
Aw- Await,
Wait for
await
timeout.
page dot wait for timeout.
Okay. After the interview, could you please check what is the syntax? Okay. So could you please tell me, like, for example, you want to check one pop-up or one alert. How you are going to handle, Shantani?
Means I want to handle it, the pop-up
Yeah,
or
how
the
you will
alert.
handle pop-up and alerts?
Uh, for example, if the pop-up came, if it's a dialog box, I need to accept it or decline it, then it will be dialog dot accept. I can use dialog, means I have to create it first.
Mm-hmm.
Like it would be page dot page, and then dialog would be there, and the then async dialog would be there.
Mm-hmm.
Then console dot log and alert message, something like that. Await. Then it would be dialog dot accept, brackets open and close brackets, and accept. And if I want to decline it, then it would be dialog dot decline.
Okay, Mamata, could you please tell me?
By using dialogue, we can use for pop-ups and alerts, we can use dialogue. Has we can accept dialogue. Sorry, I'm not able to tell.
Okay, okay. Cool. So how many logical operators are there, Shantani, in the TypeScript? See the camera.
Logical operator means we'll have or would be there, or and, not is equals to, not equal to.
Mamata, what are the logical operators we have?
And or not, and or not. That's it, Naveen.
What are the assignment operators, Shantani? What are the assignment operators are there? Mamata?
Assign
Equal to, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, less than, greater than. That's it.
Yeah, Shantani, could you please tell me like what is the differences between array and class?
array is basically like set of, like, for example, 1 2 3 4 5. It is continuously like proper what you say,
Whatever you want to think,
structure.
that thing you can say.
Means array is basically like we are mentioning multiple numbers, for example, or multiple names. So like, for example, if I am considering array can be like apple, fruit, apple, array sorry, if I'm considering array of a fruits, then it would be like apple, banana, guava. And then if I am considering numbers, then the array would be 1 2 3 4 5. Or if I'm considering mixed, like where I'm adding numbers also, and where I'm adding names also. So that can be like, that is array. And one more thing, you said class is basically where we are defining the whole structure, like what we basically want to perform. For example, like in class, I can mention, for example, class user. In that, I need a username, a password, a- and I will mention the code for username and password, and then I will return it, so that in the next code, I can just accept it and put it in the code, and then perform the further function.
Mamata?
Same question.
Yeah, same question.
Array stores multiple values inside a single variable. Like if we have a set of fruits, set of vegetables, we can by using arrays we can mention that. And class is a instance of a object, and it is a blueprint of a and it is also blueprint of a class object. Inside class only we will declare objects, functions, and everything. That's it.
Okay. So how the function will work, Shantani? How the function will work in the TypeScript?
Function will work like,
How we are declare function? Could you please tell me the code as well?
so basically function would be like function. Should I write it in
No,
the
you can
chat?
tell me. You can tell me.
Okay, 1 second. Then it would be like in function is basically the reusable code which we use to do a specific task. For example, like if I want to print my name multiple times, then I can use function. So it would be like function, then function name, and in that the parameters would be there. then inside written and then the result what I want to return, and eventually at the after that, like closing the curly braces, I can mention the function name and I can mention the parameters, like whatever parameters I have declared at the starting, I can mention those parameters.
Okay. Mamata, you can tell me. Same thing, same answer.
If we functions is a reusable, we can reuse it. If we want to execute the same code multiple times, so no need to write it again and again. In that case, we can use the function. If you want to write if for example function add open brackets and close brackets a and b and open return a plus b and close, then if you want to print it in the console.log a plus b.
Okay. So Shantini, once you are installing the Playwright project, under the Playwright project, you are able to see node modules, right? So under the node modules, what are the subfolders are there? Are you there or not?
I am there, but I don't remember the subfolder name.
Mamata?
We have been at the rate playwright core and some more we have. So I have remembered these four only.
Okay. So without node modules, for example, after the installation of the Playwright, we are able to see the node modules, right? So I want to uninstall the node modules. So at the time, what exactly happening? Shantani, Mamata. So, Shantini, did we maintaining the dependency files in the Playwright? Did we maintain or not?
Yes.
Where we are maintaining?
We are maintaining in the libraries only, like
Which library? So in your project,
library.
you people are maintained or not? In which folder you are maintained and which file you are maintained? So by default, the dependencies are came or you are manually you are added.
I don't remember.
Mamata?
In Playwright configuration file, we have a dependencies file.
Shantini, you don't know about the config.ts file, Playwright config file?
Yeah, config.ts I know, but I forgot about it.
So are you sure, Mamata, the dependencies are available in the config.ts file or some another file? Package.jsn file. Which file?
Sorry, I am confused.
Now tell me the answer. Confusion complete हो गया ना? Where we are maintaining, by default the dependencies are added. JSON file or config file? Which file?
In
JSON
JSON we have a version name, log files, all this will have.
Okay. In the JSON file, by default, the config file automatically upgraded. Okay. When we are installing the Playwright, automatically the Playwright automatically capturing and taking the these dependencies. Okay. Okay. Are you sure? I hope you understand what I'm saying, no, Mamata?
Yes,
Don't
now.
confuse. It is the second mock interview, right?
Yes.
Okay, improvement. Okay, so you are getting some improvement. I'm happy with that, but you need to improve some more. Okay.
Okay, now.
Yeah. Shantini, you are as well. So you are telling good answers, but sometimes they go Pile like last 10 days onwards, I'm giving the Playwright interviews with the different candidates.
Okay.
So the
Okay.
interviewer is asking, what are the node files containing? What are the node folder will containing? How many subfolders are there? So what is the type of folder will have? What are the type folder is maintaining? What is the bin lib file will maintaining? Okay. So once you are installing the Playwright, what are the things you are able to check? Okay. And the next thing is like, for example, could you please tell me the syntax about the TS file, Shantani? For example, you have created one TS file, not spec.ts file. Okay, you are not installing the Playwright, just you are installing the you are taking the project. Under the project, you are creating the for loop.ts. How you are executing that file, TS file?
I don't know.
Amata?
By using, first of all, we need to, where we are storing that, we need to call internal.
Yeah.
Can I write it, Navin?
Yeah, share your screen and write any example with using of the TypeScript. Shantani, this is a very important. Could you please look into that?
Okay.
You can create a new project.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you can write, you can execute a for loop or something.
Okay.
You can take new project, no problem.
CD space C colon. First of all, we need to give the where we are storing that project name. Next, we need to backslash give the where we are writing the test. Sorry. Just give me a time. I will. CD space CD colon.
Backwards slash. Yeah.
Look at this demo.
Cut as them.
Backwards test.
Not required test file, right? CD space C colon backward only locate as demo. Only one project is there, right? Under the, we don't have another project.
Yes.
One folder is there.
1 second. I'm not able to. Sorry, why I'm getting this.
Don't give backward space. Yeah, you can create one more project and you can tell to us. In the C drive, you can create one project. In the C drive, you can go to drive, create one project. Okay. Open file or folder. Your selected file, Mamada. One more time you can check. You have not imported the new file. Mamata. You are imported, you are not imported the new folder, yes. Open folder, why you are opening the file? Open folder.
Open folder.
Example, yes. Yeah. Delete. Open. example, right? You can create one more folder. That is the file.
Click somewhere outside and then create a
Yeah,
folder.
yeah, you are correct. You are in the correct path. Yes. Yeah. Take any TS file, demo or any let syntax, string syntax. Okay. Hmm.
By using no demo.ts, we can execute run.
Okay, where is the result?
Execution by like this only we need to execute. In the script only something mistake.
CD space test after we don't have backward space, right? Take one more terminal and execute. Yeah, you can remove the B value. Just you can print the you can save, you didn't save. Control S. Now you can execute.
Yes,
Yes.
sorry, I didn't say it.
Right. So why 10 coming, Anthony? Good job, Mamata. Why 10 came, Mom Shantani?
Yeah, tell me.
Why 10 came? In the output, we are getting 10, right?
Yeah, because we have declared A is equals to 10.
Okay.
And that's what we are printing, like
So
control
could
turn
you,
log.
yeah, please remember this syntax, Shantani. Interview may, lot of times the interview is asking CD space C colon backward space example. Just 1 to 2 minutes work. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now I'm ending the interview.